And now, the pickiest man on Tinder.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. It's a porn bot, man. It's a porn bot. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 stick a fucking elbow. No shit. Yes, 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 yeah. That's a fucking dude. That's a fucking dude. That's a dude. That's a man. Yes.
That was